Hello and welcome to Lesson 1 of Higher Computing Science Web Design and Development. Today, it's analysis. It's very similar to the National 5 analysis. You're looking at end-user requirements and functional requirements. We always start with analysis, and when it comes to websites, you need to figure out what does the website need to do and what do users want from it. There are many ways you can figure out the end-user requirements. One is by asking them questions, sending them questionnaires. Another is by snooping on social media and seeing what they're saying. What are the users asking for? They will be the end-user requirements. And you may think the functional requirements are the exact same thing because whatever the users ask for, that's what the website will do, and therefore functional and end-user requirements are the same thing. They kind of are, there's a lot of overlap, but the perspective will differ, and we can look at an example now. If a developer asks, so what do you want our website to be about? The client might say, it should be about cycling. So what are the end-user requirements? Well, the users might wish to read about cycling, but the functional requirement would be that the pages in the website will contain information about cycling. Like I said, there will be a lot of overlap and it might sound like the same thing twice, but it's the perspective that counts. And more specifically, functional requirements will talk about functionality of the website. For example, external links are required to list local cycling amenities. That's a functional requirement. These links provide the functionality that you can go and find these local amenities. End users want to find out where the local races are, but the functionality of the website offers links that take you there. Likewise with a form, if you read through this example, the users want to receive regular information regarding cycle racing. Well, how does the website offer that functionality? A form is required so that users can register and then emails will be sent regularly. It's a very short topic, and you see these questions come up quite often in past courseworks. Here's an example from 2019. There was a web development task. There was a form that the clients filled in about the purpose, specific topics, any media that was required to be included, and then the first task is to state the functional requirements of this website. This is a very common question to come up in a coursework. And if we look at the marking instructions from the 2019 coursework, you'll see that functional requirements are always from the website's perspective. It's not that users want to read information, it's that the website should display the text. The website should display the text. Website should display graphics. The website should display text. The website should collect users' information using a form. The website should show and hide objects in response to mouse clicks. These are all things that the website should do, display, should gather, collect. These types of things. So in short, it's all about perspective. Usually, once you've gathered the end user and functional requirements, you would write them down. Just like with software development, you would write down your specification, you would do the same with websites. This would then provide you something to refer back to when it comes to evaluating the effectiveness of your website. So a good analysis will tell you exactly what your users want and exactly what the website needs to do. There you go. Have a look through some past courseworks. Look at the first question of the web section. I guarantee it's about end user requirements or functional requirements. Check the marking scheme. Check if you were right. I'll see you in the next one.